Yeah, welcome first. Good evening. Looking at British pounds chart on 15 minutes. So we are anticipating on a 30 movement, a 30 macro. This is a fair value gap CB. During the New York opening price, New York key zone, that's from 8:30, from 8 o'clock. If you watch closely, we have taken a buy side here. This candle is a buy side liquidity, a buy side liquidity. We have swept the buy side liquidity resting above here with 4J and deliver into this inefficiency. Here is an inefficiency, and we have a breaker. This candle, this bearish candle here is a breaker. We have a high, low, higher high. Then we had a displacement that took out this low. The last bearish close candle, a displacement, market shifting structure, a market shifting structure here. Then created a fair value gap and inefficiency. Then we drop. We couldn't break this low, this candle. This candle is lower than this low. Is higher than this low. Trading up to that, we traded into the inefficiency. Here is an inefficiency between this candle low and this candle. And see, that's where price delivered into, standing as a premium level. Here is a premium. Then we drop, taking out this low and created a fair value gap. Here is also a displacement. When this kind of thing happen in the marketplace, this kind of price action, then depending on the time of the day, you can see it occur. This fair value gap, we deliver inside the fair value gap at 8:30 opening price, New York key zone. If you watch the screen below, you will see the time, 8 o'clock. That's where when we deliver into this inefficiency here, and we had a displacement over here, delivered into an inefficiency and took out a liquidity resting above. Here is a 2022 model. We have a high, low, then higher high, a displacement. Then we created a fair value gap here. Then going into 8 o'clock New York key zone, a macro, a price movement normally occur at that moment. We deliver into it going into 8 o'clock, which is the news time. Then we drop. You can short here, put your stop loss above here, then take profit at the sell side resting below, draw on liquidity. Because this liquidity resting below here has been untouched. Here we have a higher low, higher low. This low is lower than this. This low is lower than this until we break below here. Here we break below, then target the next draw on liquidity. This 2022 model, 22 model, you can utilize it in the marketplace. This kind of price action, if a liquidity is taken, yes. Do we have a displacement? Yes. High, low, higher high, a displacement that took out this low. Here becomes our breaker. This candle becomes our breaker. Did we create any fair value gap? Yes, here is a fair value gap, CB. Then we open we delivered inside the CB at 8 o'clock. This candle is 8 o'clock, it's 8:15. Then we have a 8:30 movement during the news time. This is the news time. You can see the volatility, the pressure will drop. The fair value gap here standing as a resistance, as a premium level. Then we seek for a discount area. Here is a discount. Here's an inefficiency. That's where it delivered to during the 8:30 news. So then we have taken the major sell side liquidity. Today is already Friday. Today is Friday. So we are done for today. So we wait for next week for opening price to see what price is going to offer. Then we anticipate. We wish you guys a successful weekend. Enjoy your weekend, okay? And study your price action. Thank you.